Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on the forex market, in particular on the euro currency. So yesterday it was absolutely crazy session. Maybe we do not see a big action on the euro currency, but based on recent statement and the dynamic of the stock market, United States Bitcoin, as you know, it was really very important. You know that Donald Trump intends to impose 25% tariffs on the European Union. The idea of Donald Trump actually is relatively clear. So he doesn't want to just destroy the economy. He would like to break the European Union in parts. So to separate the countries and build with them two-sided mutual relationships. They want to destroy the Brussels. The Brussels actually bureaucracy. Just because he knows that this is just a superstructure that has been created to control the separate countries, and now they are trying to follow the previous course that was actually founded by Democrats administration for the long time. It's actually all European Union bureaucrats right now are actually elected for the Joe Biden team. And Donald Trump would like to break it. I suspect that if some countries will start to follow its own national policy, then the tariffs will not be imposed. So that's why Donald Trump hints on breaking of the financing of the North Atlantic Union. Putting the tariffs on the European Union economy and so on. Currently on the euro currency we do not see big impact yet, but probably it will follow. But what we do see is that stock market in the United States start dropping, and it immediately has make impact on the Bitcoin. Why? Because when the margins start calling on the stock market and its derivatives, investors start selling most risky assets to plug the holes in the margin. So to fulfill margin to necessary level, they start finding some funds to do this and start selling other assets. Whatever, and actually gold market also currently stands on the same pressure. So despite that, how really great gold is, by the technical, it's only technical reason. This is not related to some valuation of the gold. It's expensive or not expensive. It's just the technical thing that investors need cash to fulfill the margin, and they are just selling because they need money. And that's you could see on Bitcoin. By the way, on Bitcoin, I would like to show you. We will prepare a separate video today on the Bitcoin in particular. But we very often in the recent time talk about the double repos, and yeah, I would like to show you how our double repo has worked. So this is classical double repo, how it works on a weekly Bitcoin chart. You can see this almost has completed the target. So from that standpoint, our strategy here was just perfect. You can see market mostly has collapsed to the 81. It's only difference just hits the oversold. At some time probably it actually might continue. So that's why the recent session was really very important, and for the euro currency in particular, because on markets we do not see big reaction. So on the dollar it still stands somewhere around the same area. 10-year bonds keep dropping, approaching to our 425 target. From that standpoint, we do not have any actually headwinds for the euro currency. But on the euro currency itself, if we will take a look now at some really practical issues, here's a very important moment. So the B point top, it's a really significant indicator. Market has to break it up to keep bullish context that right now exists here. Why? First of all, we have the OP target slightly above the B. It's just to complete it, market has to move higher. Speaking about the hand and shoulders, market also has to reach the neckline to form it. The same with the butterfly, so we should keep going to the upside. But if somehow we will see that market stops here and will not break the B top, turning down, this will be a really big unnatural price action in the current, for a bullish market in the current behavior, current situation. This will be breaking of the natural bullish performance that market should show, which means that correspondingly market is not bullish anymore, right? If this will happen, it simultaneously breaks the potential hand shorts. This will not be completed. So market very rarely abandons the OP targets and just leave it alone and move in the opposite direction. This almost never happens. If this will happen, it means that will be significant bearish pressure existing in current circumstances. So in this case, we should be ready for a drop below these lows. So once we were talking about the parity and keeping our bearish view intact, we thought that 107 retracement is still possible based on the patterns that we have on the weekly chart. But if this will happen and tariffs will be imposed relatively fast on the European Union, it could mean that actually downside action back to the parity could happen much faster and earlier than we thought. So this is what has happened yesterday. On lower time frames, also a few moments to watch. First of all, let's take a look. Yesterday performance was still really nice. Even our grabber has worked great. Market spike up, taken out of the top, and now it's collapsed down. The current situation with the inability of the market to complete the OP target in the current situation and this downward action means that at least we could get deeper retracement here. So first, it's of course will be a confidence area and then 103.75. These two levels might be touched very soon based on the action that we see. It even might be looking even better on the hourly chart. Take a look. That's our regardless triple to buy that we discussed yesterday. Works just perfect. Great. But let's take a look what has happened next. Minor wash and rinse, so we consider here market slightly exceeds this top and collapsed. Sharp reversal to the downside to the support. Well, this is not normal bullish behavior, especially when the market stands just a few cents below the major OP target. So I see here with this performance weakness. And in the current circumstances, I do not want to buy euro currency. Yesterday we have made good attempt to do this. It brought some fruits, but currently situation is changing. And I would watching for it be deeper, at least deep retracement. I wouldn't talk about the possible collapse right now. We'll see it later, but at least deeper retracement might happen. So from that standpoint of view, I do not want to buy right here. If you would like to take the short position, you could try, but first you should get some signs of the weakness and downside breakout or something. Maybe some patterns. This is for intraday trading for now. That and towards what we have currently on euro currency. Let's keep watching what will happen.